voices echo in the darkest nights, lost in dreams where love took flight. Silent tears in the moon's cold light, a shadow love that ain't so bright. You walked away with broken grace, left me here in an empty space. Every whisper now feels misplaced. Memories fade but scars interlaced. From love's peak to downfall steep, heartbeats heavy but secrets keep. In shadows deep where sorrows creep, I rise again from where I weep. Ashes of us scatter in the breeze, bittersweet moments none to seize. Healing comes though it won't appease, still I stand strong against the freeze. You walked away with broken grace, left me here in an empty space. Every whisper now feels misplaced. Memories fade but stars interlaced. From love's peak to downfall steep, heartbeats heavy but secrets keep. In shadows deep where sorrows creep, I rise again from where I weep. From love's peak to downfall steep, heartbeats heavy but secrets keep. In shadows deep where sorrows creep, I rise again from where I weep. Peak to downfall steep, heartbeats heavy but secrets keep. In shadows deep where sorrows creep, I rise again from where I weep. I rise again from where I weep. I rise again from where I weep. Ashes of us scatter in the breeze, bittersweet moments none to seize. Healing comes though it won't appease, still I stand strong against the freeze. Your footprints linger in fading sands, crumbling castles built by our hands, torn apart like worn out strands, searching for stars in unknown lands. In unknown lands.